Righty, welcome to Fixing Rusty Dreams. My name's Glenn. I'm from the deep south of New Zealand. So my day job is fixing commercial trucks, crash repair, all those sorts of things. But my passion is fixing old cars. Right, so on the sideline, I fix old stuff. When I get down to the workshop at some point in the next couple of days, I'll give you a quick tour around there. But today, I'm actually going to go to a local car show. So it's getting near the end of our summer here in New Zealand, down the southern hemisphere. So there's a couple of car shows still left. So if I get a chance to go to any more, I'll film them. But yeah, I'm going to go around the car show today and just give you a look at the local car scene here in New Zealand. So this will be a pretty typical one, but they're all a little bit different. There's some really big ones that I just haven't had a chance to go to this year and film stuff. But yeah, I just thought I'm going to start a new YouTube channel and see how we get on, and yeah, we'll go from there. So yeah, at some point over the next hopefully couple of days, I'll put out another maybe short video and just walking around explaining what I do in the workshop that I work in at nights and weekends and stuff like that. So yeah, the workshop I work in, sorry, the freaking sun's getting bright behind me, is owned by somebody else. I just basically share the space, and yeah, I fixed their car, and I'm working on a couple of others at the moment as well. One's an old Bedford van from the mid 80s, and the other one is a Morris Minor at the moment that it's sandblasted. I'm actually just waiting on a shipment of panels to come in from the UK, so to carry on with repair on that. I've done lots of other things as well. I have actually got some footage on another channel which I might drag some stuff over and see how that goes. I'm just starting this one fresh. I'm just trying something new. I won't tell you what my other channel is at the moment. We'll just see how this one goes without me pushing it to anybody. I'm just going to put it on YouTube and just see what happens with the algorithm, because I started my other channel a very long time ago and I've struggled to get traction, but I just watched a couple of channels today, like a couple of little videos, and it's like one of those things, you share it to your friends and your family and whatever, and apparently, you know what I mean, and like pushing it out into the system like through Facebook and stuff like that. I just want to see how the algorithm works if I just post a video up on YouTube. So yeah, we'll see how we get on, and yeah, I'll show you around the local car scene for a car show here. Hopefully they comes out alright. It's a wee bit iffy at the moment. It was raining this morning, but yeah, we'll see how we get on, and get out there and have a look around. Thanks for watching. that's a quick early look. So yeah, it's pretty early in the day here, so hopefully there'll be a few more cars turning up. The other times I've been here, there's been quite a reasonable crowd. The weather's a little iffy, but I think it should turn out alright. Like, there should be at least 3 or 4 times the amount of cars here that's here at the moment. So it's just a matter of hanging around a wee while and just wait for a few more to turn up. Anyway, hope you're enjoying the video. Thanks for watching. Righty, we just want to back over to the car, just have a break for a few minutes to see if there's any more cars, much more turns up. The weather is a wee bit iffy around the area, and it might be holding a few people away. It's actually not too bad here. It's a little bit breezy and there's just the odd little light skiff flicks through. It's reasonable, if you know what I mean. It's like, it's not cold at all, but it's just a matter of whether if many other cars turn up and whether it's worth hanging around, if you know what I mean, for a little bit longer to try and get a bit more of a view. I've been here before and it's been really, really good, but it's just one of those things, you know, you strike a bit of bad weather and, you know, on the day, and people just, you know, won't go. But we'll see what happens for the next sort of, I don't know, 15-20 minutes possibly, and we might go for another wander. We'll just see how it pans out. But yeah, there's bound to be a few more turn up. It's just whether it's, you know, whether there's a whole lot or just a handful, if you know what I mean. Anyway, we'll report back if there's anything else. Otherwise, we'll catch you later on. Thanks for watching.